Hey there, it's Stacy with Home Organized Tribe, and I'm back with another 2-minute tidy tip. And this is tip number 73. These quick wins are designed to help women like you reset your home and your life one small, doable step at a time. So let's talk about your pantry today. If opening that door gives you anxiety or you find yourself constantly rebuying things you already had, this one's for you. No, you don't need a Pinterest perfect pantry. You just need a functional one. It's so much easier to cook, clean, and live your life without the mess. So here are 5 simple ways to refresh that pantry starting today. Number 1, do a quick clear and sort. Pull out anything that doesn't belong. Random tools, expired food, non-food clutter. Then group similar items together on the counter so you can clearly see what you have. Number 2, use clear bins or baskets. Transfer all your snacks, pastas, dry goods into bins or containers. It really helps you keep food fresh longer, prevents duplicates, and just makes your pantry feel calmer. Number 3, create zones. By grouping things by purpose, it helps so much. So think about snacks in one area, breakfast stuff, baking, canned goods. This saves you time every single day, I promise you. Number 4, label the shelves. Even basic labels like snacks, baking, dinner staples, however it is that your family functions, this will help your family know where things go so you're not the only one putting things away correctly. Number 5, do an expired sweep weekly. Make this a habit to toss expired foods or stale items once a week. It only takes a minute, but makes a huge difference in keeping your pantry functional. All right, if you want help walking you through this process step by step, I want you to check out my 10-minute reset program. It includes a pantry reset checklist and a video of me cleaning out my pantry so you can see how I set everything up. And hopefully that'll inspire you to take 10 minutes and to clean out your pantry. So you can check it out at the link below. Just remember, function beats perfection every time. So don't wait to make everything perfect. We're just taking baby steps each day to work on your house. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss my next 2-minute tidy tip. Happy decluttering.